Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up the Canon MAXIFY GX7020X printer on your Windows or Mac OS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser of your choice, doesn't really matter. And you want to search for Canon MAXIFY GX7020X support. Go ahead and search for that. Should be a web result that says canon.com. You want to get directly from Canon here. The MAXIFY GX7020X MegaTank. Go ahead and select that. Go ahead and scroll down here underneath downloads, select software and drivers, and then you select the operating system version, the version number, and then go underneath software and driver results, and you want to select your driver in here and select download. It should say driver setup package. Go ahead and begin that process, and once it's done downloading, go ahead and open up the file. It should say verified publisher, Canon Inc. Select yes. You can close out of the web browser at this time too. It doesn't really matter if you keep it open or not. And it should say start setup. Select start setup here, and then select next. Give this a moment. And then you will need to accept the license agreement. Select yes. And you want to select agree. You can select Wi-Fi, wired LAN connection, or USB connection, whatever your preference is, and then select next. Check to see the power is turned on, and then select next again. Give that a moment. And then you can go ahead and connect the printer to the network. So you may have to set that up on the printer settings and then come back in here and then proceed to next. And then once that's done, just again, follow along with the on-screen prompts, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.